Signing up for a live account, referral link. Step 1. Once you have obtained the referral link from an IB or CPA, simply click on the link. Step 2. You will be directed to the PU Prime Live account registration page. Step 3. On the registration page, fill in your personal details, including your residential country, first name, last name, email, preferred password, and referral code. Step 4. Verify that you are not a U.S. resident by ticking the designated box, and then click Create Account. Step 5. After clicking Create Account, you'll be directed to our client portal. Step 6. Once you have reached the client portal, please fill up your personal details, including last name, gender, date of birth, phone number, and nationality. Then, click Next. Step 7. Choose the trading platform, account type, and the currency in which you preferred. Step 8. Select the checkbox to agree with our terms and conditions, then, click Next to continue. Step 9. Congratulations, you have successfully completed account opening.